Okay, now using the extrude tool. The extrude tool is located in here. It's grouped together with the transparency, envelope, drop shadow, blend, and contour. Okay. So looking at these two objects here, these two objects were extruded using the Corel Draw extrude tool. So I'm just going to, let's say I'm going to create a polygon here. Let's say a star. I'm going to put a star here. And I normally start with a gray color. Let's make that gray like that. Okay. So in order to do an extrude effect, you go to your extrude icon and then you click and drag like that. And this X here is the vanishing point, so you can move that like that. Now in here in the property bar, you would see these icons here, and these ones are for the extrude. Okay. The first icon here is the extrude rotation. If you click on that, you can see the number 3 there. That's just an example of the view. But if you click and drag, now you would see that it is rotating. It's like a 3D object now that rotates. Okay. And then in here, the second one is the color. Okay, the color of this extrude object. Let's say I want to make it, from gray to black. So that's the one. Okay. Of course, you can always change that color. Let's say I want to make it orange, and let's say I'll say that's fine. Okay. And then in here, the bevels, you can also change the bevels. You click on bevels, and if you click on use bevel, this is the bevel. Okay. You can also increase the size of the bevel like that. Okay. There's lots of possibilities here in the extrude. You can just experiment on using that. You can also use the extrude tool into text. Okay, let's say for example here I'm going to type in text, and I'm going to extrude this one here. I'm just going to choose let's say I'm going to choose this one. Okay. I'm going to color it gray for now, and then I'll change it later on. So click on your interactive contour tool, the interactive extrude tool. I click and drag. Okay. Now in here you won't see it because it's gray, right? So I'm going to change the color here. Okay. So that's fine. And if I click on this one here, I can just change the, and then in here you still have the slider if you want the extrude to not be too thick, so you can just move that like that. Okay. You can also change the bevel. Click on use bevel, and if you notice, it's applying on the text. So experiment on that, and you could see all the possibilities that you can do in using the extrude tool.